Hey y'all, this is Brenda with Slapout Homestead, and today we're going to make some dishwasher detergent. What you will need to make your dishwasher detergent is 1 cup of borax, one cup washing soda, a half cup kosher salt, one-fourth cup OxyClean, and 1/4 cup Lemmy Shine. Lemmy Shine is citric acid. If you cannot get this where you live, you can substitute with Kool-Aid lemonade flavor. This is basically citric acid, calcium phosphate, maltodextrin, salt, 2%, less than 2% of all that other stuff. So I believe it's about 5 packets of lemon flavored Kool-Aid, without the sugar of course, equals 1/4 cup of Lemmy Shine. And then we just whisk this together. And the difference between this one and the laundry soap that we made is that we're not using the soap flakes, so we don't need to put it in the food processor. So we'll mix this together. And then the other way it's different is that because it has the salt in there, you wouldn't want to take this and directly put it into your container because it'll solidify like a rock. And we'll leave it in this bowl probably for the rest of the day. Whisk it around every once in a while. That gives the salt that's in there a chance to grab all the moisture from the air that it's going to grab. And we'll just whisk it. Just every once in a while, whenever I walk past it, I'll just pause and whisk it. And then by the end of the day, it'll be ready to go into my container. When you use this in your dishwasher, you'll use a tablespoon, and you'll just distribute that tablespoon between the main wash and the pre-wash. And that is all you need. And you can see that that is quite a bit of dishwasher soap that you just made. It's safe on your dishes. It's safe for your septic tank, and you'll save a lot of money doing it this way. Just remember, don't put it directly into your container. I made that mistake the first time I made this. I put it down into a quart mason jar and stuck it under my counter. And the first time I pulled it out to use it, it was solid. I had to use a butter knife to chip it away out of the jar. But if you do it this way and just leave it out the rest of the day and just keep stirring it every once in a while, that won't happen. And you will be good to go with your homemade dishwasher detergent. Another thing that I do that helps me out is I put the recipe on the side of the container, so I don't have to go looking for it every time. I just write it on a sticky note and use a big piece of tape and put it right on the container. I do that with my laundry soap as well. And then you can see 1 cup borax, 1 cup washing soda, 1/2 cup kosher salt, 1/4 cup OxyClean, 1/4 cup Lemmy Shine. And then you put vinegar in your rinse aid compartment. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up down there. If you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to do so. We've got lots more DIY on the way. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.